everybody, it's me, Marianne, aka Miss Foot Fixer. I hope you guys are all well. So we have a wonderful patient here. What do you guys think it is? 1, 2, 3. What do you think it could be itself? So I'm going to remove this nail. It should be relatively easy to remove. Best thing is to not look. I mean, obviously you guys can watch. I'm going to tell you the answer. Oh, that came off so fast. I'm going to tell you the answer once I pop this off itself. So this is what we call kind of retroonychia. So you can see multiple layers of nail, and that's caused by an irritation in the nail root, and it's confused. It doesn't know what it's doing. It doesn't know if it's going to grow up in one layer or down in one layer, so it compacts and goes into multiple layers. What I'm going to do is just have a look in the root, and we have some nail bed damage because it's irregular, caused by the deformity. But I think that looks really, really good, and the nail root looks very, very intact. So what I'm going to do now is just clean the nail bed up just by scraping this all away.
Here I am removing as much of the debris that is on the nail bed. I am using a forceps and a 15 blade, and the reason why is because we want everything to be even to allow the nail to grow out normal if possible. Unfortunately, this is not always the case, and the nail can return back to its original state or also further deformed. With all surgery, there are always risks of infection, chronic regional pain syndrome, pain and bleeding, and many more side effects.
Thanks for watching Foot Fixers. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Check me out on all the other platforms too, at Miss Foot Fixer. I'll see you soon.